point of trade, and Zentek is the other one, which too has spiked. All of this in the last half an hour or so. But sources tell CNBC-TV18 that Vodafone Idea is planning to sell stake in Indus Towers. Now, what does this mean for both the companies? Nimesh joins in with the details of the same. Nimesh.
Hi, Mangalamira. So, as you rightly pointed out, there is an anticipation that there's going to be a large block deal in Indus Tower very soon. My sources tell me that it can happen in a day or two, wherein Vodafone will sell its stake in Indus Tower. Now, Vodafone owns close to 21.5% stake in Indus Tower, and at current price, it's valued at close to $2.3 billion. Now, once the block gets done, we need to see how the impact is going to be for Vodafone Idea as well as for Indus Tower. Now, a couple of brokerages have written. First, on Vodafone Idea, UBS believes that could the proceeds be used for Vodafone Idea? The answer is yes. There is a very high chance, but the figure is going to be much lesser than what the street is anticipating. Now, just to give a backgrounder to what UBS has written on this note, there was a rights issue from Vodafone in 2019, where Vodafone PLC had subscribed to half of it, and they had invested close to $110 billion, which is close to $1.5 billion. Now, the assumption is if Vodafone sells its entire 21% stake at current price, they will raise close to $2.3 billion, out of which the entire stake, the investment in Vodafone rights issue was done by pledging the shares of Indus Towers. So they'll have to give the money to the lenders. So $1.8 billion will be given to the lenders if indeed the entire stake gets sold, and the remaining $500 million can come back to Vodafone Idea. So that's the one assumption that UBS is working on, that this is the one way which can have an impact on Vodafone Idea. Now, coming to Indus Tower, as I explained, the shares are pledged. So first the money has to go to the lenders, and only then the remaining $500 million can be infused into Vodafone Idea. If that has to be done, then the scenario would be there is an outstanding due to Indus Tower from Vodafone Idea of close to 5,400 crores. So that gets repaid with this money, and after that there is a potential special dividend of close to 15 rupees per share. Now, all this is an assumption that Vodafone sells its entire 21% stake in Indus Tower. My sense is it will be half stake, which will be sold by a block deal very soon, and needs to be seen how it's been treated. But if, as and when the deal gets done, the overall feedback is it's positive for Indus Tower as well as for Vodafone Idea as well. So need to see how much Vodafone sells, but the sense is that the large block is going to come in Indus Tower very soon.
Okay, thanks a lot for that. Well, a whole host